housewife doesn't want to have a simple and tidy kitchen? The importance of a simple and tidy kitchen is not only determined by its size, but also by your ability to keep the kitchen simple and tidy at all times. This total cleaning is generally done about once or twice a year, where every corner and drawer of the kitchen space will be unpacked and cleaned thoroughly. Then how about your simple and tidy kitchen? So for those of you who crave a simple and tidy kitchen, here are 8 tips that you can practice every day. You can be happier to see a simple and tidy kitchen that is always well maintained. 1. Empty sink, clean kitchen gadget. Start your day in a simple and tidy kitchen by paying attention to some important kitchen features, such as sinks, dishwashers, dish racks, to other kitchen gadgets that have the same function. Make sure they are always clean and empty at the end of the day. That way, you're sure to have a simple and clean kitchen every morning the next day. With an empty sink and kitchen utensils, it will also be easier for you when you want to start cooking or washing dishes. No more piles of dirty plates, glasses, spoons and forks, or tidying up plates. As a result, the kitchen is simple and tidy at all times, plus extra functional. 2. Simple and neat kitchen cleaned one way. One of the mainstay secrets of every famous cook is an efficient and effective workflow, including for those of you who have a simple and tidy kitchen. One of them is cleaning in between work in progress. For example, the onion cutting event always ends by removing the peeled onion skin, or also always cleaning the oil splashes with a cloth when frying food. This one-way cleaning trick can be mastered if you know more about leftover dirt after cooking to keep the kitchen space simple and tidy. Usually the areas that you can clean while working are the raw material work area, sink and stove. Your best friend in creating a simple and clean kitchen is kitchen textiles. 3. Wash the sink when done. Want to have a simple and tidy kitchen with a shiny and fragrant sink? So easy. Make it a habit to always wash or brush the sink after you are done using it to remove grease, dirt, or after washing dishes in your simple and tidy kitchen. You have to have extra care to keep it clean. The trick is to use a separate brush, not a dish brush, and scrub the entire sink area with the available dish soap. After rinsing, don't forget to wipe clean, especially on the edge of the sink table. Guaranteed, you can get a simple and neat kitchen, plus a sink that is far from oil deposits, black dirt, and smells good all the time. 4. Routine maintenance for cookware. Don't neglect your simple and tidy kitchen inhabitants. If you look closely, there must be cooking utensils such as cauldrons or pans that need to be scrubbed because they are black and burnt. Or maybe the pot handle is loose and needs to be tightened with a screwdriver? Cooking utensils such as pots, pans, or cooking pots also need monthly service to make them look fast and function perfectly. It's the same with kitchen knives that need to be sharpened regularly, and not only when needed. Likewise, with the food filter, which needs to be cleaned regularly so that there are no food residues that are still stuck or stuck. Ideally, your simple and tidy kitchen can run more smoothly with regular maintenance at least once a month. Clean other kitchen decorations. A simple and tidy kitchen can be more beautiful with the existing kitchen decorations. both in the form of a cutting board that hangs on the wall to a glass hanger that is neatly arranged on the kitchen table. These small knickknacks also have to be cleaned every day because they stick to oil or dust in the kitchen area. If these kitchen decor tend to be large and purely decorative, you can also spend at least 3 times a week on simple and neat kitchen maintenance that is beautiful. 6. Powerful cleaning weapon. A simple and tidy kitchen starts with the right cleaning tools. Prepare yourself with the right types of brushes and brooms and mops so that a simple and tidy kitchen can look clean every time. But you also have to be observant in choosing the right type of cleaning tool for a simple and tidy kitchen. Depending on your needs, there are usually several brushes and chemical cleaners suitable for everyday use. Don't forget to store your powerful weapons in a separate storage box and place them on the bottom shelf or sink, special drawer, or in a bucket. This is of course so that your simple and neat kitchen still looks cool without any objects that interfere with the view. 7. Make sure the table surface is clean. A clean kitchen counter is an important key to a simple and clean kitchen look. In addition to being diligent in cleaning properly and correctly, make sure there are not many unnecessary decorations on the surface of your kitchen table. In addition to the surface of the kitchen table, also clean other surfaces, such as hanging shelves, kitchen islands, and cupboards. Thus, your kitchen will be really clean. A simple and tidy kitchen will feel more spacious, airy, and cool with minimal conditions for unnecessary knickknacks. Clean your kitchen surfaces right now and feel the warmth of your simple and tidy kitchen. 8. Big size waste basket. Make sure your simple and tidy kitchen is equipped with a trash can big enough for your daily activities. With the right waste basket, you can save a layer of plastic before taking out the trash. You also don't have to go back and forth to keep the kitchen simple and tidy if your waste basket is sufficient for daily activities. Look for trash cans that come with tight-fitting lids to keep bad odors away from your simple and tidy kitchen. Thank you for watching the video to the end. I hope you are always healthy and get the best inspiration from this video. Find your inspiration at IDE Plus Unlimited for the next video.